Hello, my name is Ram. I'm a technical leader here in Cisco TAC within IoT. In this video, I will discuss the steps needed to perform a packet capture on a wireless personal area network referred to as Wpan module plugged into a connected grid router referred to as CGR. Step 1. Log into the CLI of the CGR using SSH. Step 2. Define the monitoring capture point and configure the buffer type. We define a capture point for the capture. In this case, it's the Wpan module on the router where the capture will be performed. The configuration shows capturing packets on the Wpan module in both directions. Then the capture buffer is configured with a defined size. Here we have a circular buffer. Finally, the capture point and the capture buffer are tied together. Once the configuration is in place, start the capture using the command monitor capture point start. Step 4. After recreating the problem or capturing enough packets for the troubleshooting scenario, stop the capture and save the file in Flash using the export command. Copy the file from Flash and upload it to the TAC case. Now let's take a look at the steps from the CLI. Here we are logged into the CLI of the CGR through SSH. If you run the command show inventory, we can confirm that the Wpan module is indeed present on this CGR. As discussed on the steps before, we need to define a capture point from the CLI. We define a capture point using the command shown on the screen. Once the capture point is added, then we configure the capture buffer. And finally, we tie the capture point and the buffer together. Now we can validate the configured capture point using show monitor capture point all command. Now we validate the configured capture buffer. Then start the capture, leave it running as needed for the troubleshooting scenario. Once the needed time is reached, you can go ahead and stop the capture. Now export the capture from the buffer and save it in Flash. Here we are saving the file as wpan.pcap. Verify if the file is indeed saved in Flash using the command dir flash : will list the contents of the directory. We do see the wpan.pcap file saved in Flash. Once confirmed, copy the file out and upload it to the TAC service request for further analysis. Thank you for watching.